You guys really liked the last collab I did with Neptunian guys. So today we are doing another one for Christmas. We are each making a Christmas system and then swapping systems and reviewing just like we did last time. So I will be trying to create the best Christmas system I can. And then we're gonna look and see what Neptunian guy did. And you guys can decide who's better, I guess. All right, so here we are in a blank empty simulation. First thing I'm gonna do actually is change the background. What's the most Christmassy background? Probably green. There's not a red and green one. There's just a red one or a green one. Perfect. Okay, and then if we make this star kind of red, not like super red, because I want if it's too red, then the planets will look weird. Okay, and then I actually had a really good idea for a gas giant. So I'm gonna start with a gas giant. This isn't gonna be the closest planet. We're gonna put it probably like 10 AU out. This is gonna be our Santa planet. So first of all, we're gonna name it Santa, and we want this pretty big because you know Santa's pretty big, like 5 Jupiters in size, radius 10 Jupiter. Wait, I need to lock the... Okay. Oh no, not a star, go back. Okay, well I turned it into a brown dwarf and now it's shedding everything. We're gonna need to restart on this. Okay, it is now bigger than the sun because Santa's huge. Let's do some band colors. Okay, well, he's got like, you know, the red hat. Boom, that looks just like Santa. Okay, and then now that we have Santa as a giant planet, I'm gonna give him some moons, but you'll see what I'm about to do with these moons. Okay, so you can see I added some moons to it. I'm gonna quickly name them and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, so if you look at the names, we have Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. And then finally out here, we're gonna put Rudolph and we're gonna make it red. There's Rudolph. Okay, so we have Santa orbiting, and orbiting Santa is all of the reindeer as moons. That is beautiful. I love that. Okay, next I'm thinking we do a planet with a life, and it's gonna be like a tree planet, like a Christmas tree, but it's gonna be actual vegetation on the planet. So let's put this about 1 AU away. It's gonna be up here. Ooh, okay. So we're gonna need some vegetation on this. So for our atmosphere, let's go 70% nitrogen, 10% oxygen. I need to really learn what the real numbers are. This is honestly a guess. Water, probably like, I don't know, 5%. The other ones are small. Those are the 3 main ones. Okay, we want our ocean to be water. Okay, it looks like the water's all in the air for some reason. I think it's easier if we shoot some water onto it. Okay, we're gonna manually add some oceans. We just need some water on it so that the vegetation will grow the way we want it to. Okay, that's looking pretty good. And then we need the vegetation on it. Okay, we're gonna name it Christmas tree. Let's do the ornaments with the city lights. Kind of yellowish, I think is better. I want a full map. That would be better, but we don't have that. Okay, that's what we're gonna do for that. And then for the star at the top, I'm gonna put some lava, actually. We're gonna laser the top to kind of do a star. Christmas. That looks beautiful. I love that. What's our life likelihood on it? Hey, 12%, not bad. I'm gonna take that. Okay, there's our Christmas tree planet. And then I'm gonna give it a couple moons and just name them like gifts. Okay, and we definitely want these to be colorful. You know, Christmas colors, red and green. Perfect. Okay, so there's our Christmas tree planet with 3 little gifts orbiting around. I love that. That's amazing. Okay, so I actually have a really good idea to make this system cool. We're gonna add a giant ring. It's like a asteroid belt, but you can actually color the asteroid belt. So we're gonna add an asteroid belt, but here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make the number of particles. We're only gonna go 750. We want the color. We want one of them to be red. Add ring. Did that work? Yeah, okay, so see those little red things? And then if we do it again, but make it white, and do it again and make it green, then we will have... Oh, I think the star... We might have to make the star white to be able to really see any of this. They don't even look colored. Oh, I think I did it wrong. Here, let's try this again. Color mode from manual. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Those are definitely green. Look at those. And red and white. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is very Christmas. Okay, let's do a gingerbread planet that it's gonna look like gingerbread. We're gonna put it in orbit here. Okay, this already looks like a pretty good texture, I think. Let's just change the visuals, like brown. Okay, like that. And then we're gonna put a face on it with the laser. Okay, we're gonna name this one Gingerbread Man. And then I'm gonna make a binary planet with this one, and we're gonna make it the Gingerbread Woman. Okay, how did that just make this change colors? Why is it growing? How is it growing? What is happening? This is just straight up growing for no reason. Like, look at this. How does this happen? We're gonna have to redo the Gingerbread Man, unfortunately. The game just crashed. What is happening? Okay, I've relaunched the game, and I think everything is still as it should be. I think we're good now. Okay, I finally got it to work, I think. Here is our gingerbread man planet. I'm putting an atmosphere. I don't know what these little spots are, though. Okay, we're drawing a smiley face on it. Beautiful. Okay, so we're actually going to make another planet binary with this one. We'll make this one a little bigger, so they're really binary with each other. This is gingerbread woman. Okay, we get gingerbread man in the middle, and then this is gonna be gingerbread woman. Let's make this brown and also give it a smiley face. Beautiful. Get the laser. Beautiful. We got gingerbread man and gingerbread woman. Okay. Just for fun, I'm gonna put a red and a green pool ball out here orbiting each other. Binary with each other. Okay, so we have the green pool ball and the red pool ball. Binary. Beautiful. For our last planet, we're actually going to do a dwarf planet. So let's go random moon, but let's make it a dwarf planet. We'll put it all the way out here, and it's going to be coal. We're going to make a coal planet. Okay, this is still classified as a planet. You can see that here. So we need to shrink it until it says dwarf planet. There we go, dwarf planet. Okay, and we're actually going to make the planet out of, so coal's made out of carbon. So I'm gonna see if I can make the entire planet out of carbon dioxide. I don't know how well this is gonna work. Oh, okay, well, we don't want it hot. The temperature, look at that. Oh my gosh, go back to 0. Okay, that looks like coal. Let's make sure that everything is black. Okay, and there we go. There's our last planet. Coal, you've been bad. Perfect. Okay, here is our Christmas system. So if you would like to download this system, the link will be in the description of this video. We are now going to take a look at Neptunian Guy's system and see what he made for me. Okay, here is Neptunian Guy's system, and already, how did he get the red and the green background? That must be modded because I did not have that in mind, but that looks sick. So already I can see he did a similar thing with the asteroid belt, but instead of mixing them all together, he did a red asteroid belt, green one, and a white one. Okay, let's see. He's used a very, very large star, 21 suns mass. Super, super bright too. Wow, okay. Let's see. So I think if it says comp, he's used it in one of his object competitions. So he didn't make these, but he's using them in here. This looks cool. It's already got the red and the green from the lava and the green atmosphere. Super, super hot, 300 degrees Celsius. Maybe he changed the colors on them, but it could have been just how it came. So there's our first one. That one's Titusta. And then second planet is the planet of Christmas. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Some people go really crazy with these lasers. I should have done more detail than my little star, but that looks so cool actually. And it's got beautiful bands. How many bands is this? Yeah. Oh, whoa. Okay. Someone took a long time on this one. Well done. That's an amazing planet. Okay. And then we got Christmas pumpkins. This is pink. Whoa. Okay. And then we got city lights, blue city lights. Very, very colorful and bright. This is all of Neptunian Guy's systems have like modded objects and stuff. It's just the way that all these planets are made. It's really, really cool. Okay, then we got Lapland, also pink. Glowing clouds, it looks like. Wow. Oh, are any of these habitable? That one's definitely not. 600 degrees. Is this one? I doubt it. 1.1, so it's not 0, so that means it has some chance of life. Like this. This looks like it probably has life. El Buab, very, very blue atmosphere when you're towards the star. Is that lava underneath? We got a very, very small chance of life. That's a cool looking planet though. I'm really blown away on this background. I don't know how they get modded backgrounds like this. Bacon, nice. The bacon planet. If this has life, I will be amazed. Yes, 9.1. Honestly, I'm impressed that they get it that high. Wow, okay. And then we have just called Christmas planet, and it is extremely bright. Wow, okay, and we got blue on the back. Is that water peeking through? I don't even know. What's our stats on this? 10% chance of life on this? How? But wow, some of these planets, they look so cool. Okay, 2 Christmas Deluxe. Here we go. Whoa. Okay, again with these super banded ones. One day I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna spend like an hour and make a super banded gas giant because look at this. Look how many this has. This isn't honestly that many. This would take maybe 10 minutes, but it does look really, really cool. And then this one's got white rings. It's a double ring actually. And then we have this is right outside of the red asteroid belt. It's cool that he did 3. That's actually cool. I just mixed all mine together. Okay, Christmas Sea, another banded gas giant with very Christmassy colors on it. That is super cool. Okay, Gasser Green. Wasn't this in the last one? I think it was, but it looks like he's added a green ring too, and some moons. What are these moons? Anexius 8. Whoa, that's really cool. The glowing oceans and clouds. And it's got a very, very small chance of life, which is crazy on these. On moons, it's really, really hard to get life. Okay, we got another green. This is a gas giant moon, which is very, very cool. How big is it? It's 5 times the size of Earth. How big is Gasser Green then? 7 Earths? So it's not even that much. Okay, the mass is 20 Jupiters versus 2 Earth. Okay, so this one's just a lot less dense because Gas or Green isn't even that much bigger than Voxium, which is cool. Then we have our green asteroid belt. Following that, we have Banded 28. I bet this is gonna be a mega banded gas giant. Okay, super red. It's almost like a maroon color. How many bands is Banded 28? Not even that many. How big is this one? Not super big either. We got Banded 28 there. And then we have, that one's pretty elliptical. Same with Snowflake Mountains. Whoa. So someone's gone in here, whoever made this, Soppy has gone in and used the Planetscaping tool and drawn snowflakes as mountains on the planet. I didn't even think of doing that. That's really cool. We got any life or anything? No, that's okay though. And he's even made all the interface colors, all the orbit colors, very Christmassy. I should have done more of that. Christmas gas dwarf. Here we go. Okay, gas dwarf. How big is this gas dwarf? It does look very Christmas. 6.7 Earth. So that is a very small gas giant. It's only 3 times the size of Earth, which is big, but for gas giants, that's pretty small. Then we have a pink planet. What's this one out here? The world's largest ornament. Here we go. Whoa. Okay. So I'm guessing they tried to make it look like an ornament. It almost looks like they used not even a random map, like a elevation map. It's Rhea mixed with Iapetus. Yeah, interesting. It didn't look like one of the random ones. It looked like one of the textured ones, but that does look cool. World's largest ornament. And then we have 2 really elliptical ones. The Great Ornament is not as elliptical as this other one. Okay, let's check out the Great Ornament. Oh, okay, so it's really dark because this is flashlight and it's just a very, very, very dark red ornament. But I'm guessing that this is supposed to make it look textured, like, you know, when they put like the glitter on the ornaments or something like that. A little bit bigger than Earth. And then finally we have, oh, there's something out here too. Quetzal. Let's check the flashlight on this one. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, so this is very, very far out. Is this like a dwarf planet maybe? It's a planet. It's very, very small. It's basically a dwarf planet, but it is technically big enough to be a planet. It's 18% the size of Earth, but the mass is only, how is it? It's so non-dense. It is 0.3%, not even 1% the mass of Earth, but it's 18% of the size. Interesting. So it's super like light. And there's Gasser Green B and Gasser Red B orbiting each other out here. Very, very cool. Kind of like what I did with the pool balls, except these are very, very large gas giants, like the largest you can get. They're technically brown dwarfs. Look at them. They're little tiny stars. So if you count all of those, it's like a 4-star system because there's those 2, Gasser Green over here and the center star. Very, very cool. Thank you, Neptunian guy, for creating this system for me. If you guys want to see more collabs like this, leave a like on the video. Let me know what you want to see in the next system in the comments. Join my Discord if you haven't. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys in the next video.